You have a pregnant wife. She has a hard time moving. Even sitting on the sofa is difficult. Sometimes yelling at you, not caring about her, not loving her anymore, it makes you very stressed. And of course you went to another girl and complained to her about your wife. She loves you. She massaged you to relieve stress. First, she presses her forehead with both hands and rubs her temples with 3 fingers, which will help you to circulate blood and reduce stress for you. So on for about 30s continuously, for 1 minute. Then she uses her index finger to swipe from the top to the bottom of your forehead, along the bridge of your nose. She strokes quite well. Next she uses 2 thumbs and presses the top of your forehead, and gently strokes the back of her head. And she continues to rub the area on the top of your head, which helps you to completely relax her. Fourth, she uses her hand to swipe from the top of her forehead to your cheeks. She did that 5 times with each cheek. Her skills are amazing, isn't it? That makes you fall in love with her. After finishing the 2 cheeks, she will move to the 6th movement. She presses the middle of her forehead with her thumb and rubs them all, then strokes to the left and right. The girl sits at the table with you, and you like her, but don't know how to say it. And you come up with an idea to make her know your feelings. You use an A4 sheet of paper, and fold it up like this. And use your pen to write on the paper a sequence of numbers as follows. You lightly touch her hand, get her attention, and push that paper over in front of her. She will be curious and open it. She already knows your feelings. In the test period, you suddenly forget your knowledge. You do not know how to solve this whole problem. You look at the water bottle and come up with an idea. You drink a portion of the water in the bottle, and make a big gap. You will write the word on that space. You bring it up to class, do your part. When the teacher doesn't notice, you turn over the water and the words come out. It's great, isn't it? Use it often. You'll quickly advance in your studies. You both are watching a movie and eating cake together. The movie is really good and the cake is delicious, so the 2 of you scramble to bowl each other. Neither you nor him will yield to anyone. You have an idea and jerk off the cake to leave him behind. You run into the kitchen and read the cake to another place. You then put the bowl upside down on the table. Angela use a roll of food wrap. You use it to wrap the outside of the bowl. Remember to wrap it carefully or the cake will fall out. Next, you take a roll of duct tape, paste the bottom of the bowl. Try and be patient, put lots of tape on it because the more duct tape, the stronger your product will be. Then take a thin piece of paper and place it on the bowl. Then use the iron to iron it. The temperature from the iron will cause the polymer component in the tape in. Then use scissors to cut it. Turn the bowl upside down and cut it around the mouth of the bowl. After cutting, discard the excess and you have a complete bowl made from food wrap and duct tape. Put the cake into the bowl you just finished and bring the old bowl out for him. He probably won't understand what's going on. Who told him what he would like to get in the bowl? So you can enjoy the movie with delicious cakes without having to fight over the bowl. The two of you sit together but only have a bowl of porridge and a spoon. You just sit and watch him eat and he'll give you a small bite. Sometimes you can't just sit and watch forever looking at him. Eating makes you annoyed. What should you do? You have a way. You snatch his spoon and run to the kitchen. You also use a little plastic wrap and a spoon. Then you use candle glue. You use candle glue to fill the glue around the spoon covered with plastic wrap. Please pour carefully as NSO may fall out. Finally, wait for it to dry for about an hour when the glue is dry. Remove it from the spoon and remember to remove the plastic wrap. When those steps are done, you need to continue to strengthen your product. Continue to use candle glue and pour it into the spoon's body. That is the weakest position of the spoon. Try to pour it really thick. You don't want to use it loose after reinforcing it. Please wait for a while longer that you can use it. Our product is done. Be confident to bring it to him. So you've got 2 spoons to share porridge already. He will be proud to have a creative girl like you. You see, he took the spoon and was very excited. He scooped up a spoonful of porridge and brought it in his mouth. He will swallow it deliciously because maybe it's quality assurance.